We're going to be palpating Fibularis brevis. So if you've just watched Fibularis longus, Fibularis brevis is in the same lateral compartment of the leg, and it is originating below where Fibularis longus was. So Fibularis longus on the proximal fibula, and now Fibularis brevis starts where longus stopped originating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask her to do that same action of eversion and plantar flexion, and I'm going to add some resistance into that. And where we feel the tendon of longus begin, which I'm able to strum back and forth across it, what you're going to do is you're going to go to more of a pincher grasp on either side of that tendon. So I'm going to get her to relax now. So I'm going to squeeze on either side of this longus's tendon and then ask for some resistance. Great. And if you're doing more of a pure eversion on the lateral compartment, you should easily be able to feel this Fibularis brevis muscle. One analogy that I like to kind of bring up for this lateral compartment is kind of like a hot dog and a bun. So if we have a pressure on the longest tendon, consider this the hot dog, and then if you go on either side of it, brevis is the bun. So you'll be able to feel it on either side of that longest tendon for brevis's muscle belly. As we get closer to the bottom aspect, just above this malleolus, brevis is also going to turn to a tendon, and they are one stacked on top of the other. So consider the longest tendon is sitting directly on top of brevis tendon. So as you go by the malleolus, you won't see the brevis because it's underneath the longest tendon. So you will only really see one tendon group kind of right here until it goes underneath. Now, as we described just in the previous video, the longest tendon starts to dive underneath the cuboid, and the brevis tendon continues on the lateral aspect of the foot. So you'll be able to feel it just past the malleolus, or the inferior part of it, and I'm going to follow this tendon, add a little resistance, great, as I go right out into its bony insertion, which is the styloid process or tuberosity of the fifth metatarsal. So right in this area, I can palpate up and down, up and down, up and down. Here is the most proximal part of that fifth metatarsal. It is a sharp projection known as the styloid process. One more time, just push out into eversion for me. Great, so right in this area is our final insertion. Just like longus, this muscle is going to be responsible for a plantar flexion and a primary action of eversion of that subtalar joint. That's going to conclude our palpation of Fibularis brevis.